Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening. Very good evening everyone. Good evening.
Good
Okay
evening.
then. Good evening. So we all completed the first unit successfully, number sense. We did 2 parts of it, exercises of it, test also. And now we are moving to the second unit, which is computation operation. That means we'll be dealing with numbers, adding them, subtracting them, and moving forward also multiplying and dividing them. Something which you have done before, but we will deal more with practice questions and word problems. Okay. So everyone is ready? Thumbs up.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Fine. Great. You people have joined on time. I'm happy about that. Uh, let's get started then. So the first two things which we will be covering in today's class for sure is addition and subtraction. If you people are quick in grasping this concept and doing the questions nicely, then we will surely get started with the coming topic as well, so that we get more time to practice. And of course, because the last 3 classes we are not about to, or we are not able to, I would say, play a math quiz, we'll see. Okay. All right, then let's get started with the first question for the day. This is a warm up question for all my students out there. Warm up means what? Just to see if you people are ready for today's class or not. So, this is a 6-digit number which you have to add, and the other question is where you have to subtract. So, please get started. Write the answers in the chat box once you do it in your notebook. And no mental calculation, please. Please do it on your notebook. I've started getting answers also. Very nice. People who have joined me right now, good evening. You are few minutes late. So we have started with computation operation. That means we'll be doing addition subtraction questions today. And this is a warm-up question for everyone. So once you are done with this in your notebook, type out the answer in the chat box. Well done, Reyanshi. Thank you. I'll wait for others to send me the answers. Please start doing the addition from the right-hand side as well as the subtraction from the right-hand side. Whatever is coming in the borrow or in the carry has to go towards the left. Yes, Arnav? Okay. I've got 3 more answers. Very nice. Devashri, thank you. Mishika, thank you. Tanisha, thank you. Anvita, also I received your answer. Good. Who is Vineet Srivastav? Is it Samriddhi? You need to rename
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I joined now. What are we doing?
We are doing computation operation, Samriddhi, and next time be on time.
Yes, ma'am.
Computation
Ma'am,
operation is addition and subtraction questions for today. Coming forward, we'll also do multiplication and division. Okay.
Okay.
Arnav received the answer. Samriddhi received the second part as well. Thank you. Others, once you're done with this in the notebook, please type it out in the chat box. Aradhya, I received your answer. Devashri received. Aditi received. Jia. Wow, thank you for both the answers, Aditi and Jia. Thank you. Okay. Let's wait for a few more people. And please turn on your videos. Don't keep your videos off. If you have an issue with your camera or network, please let me know beforehand only so that I will not bother you. Tanisha, Shrihan. Thank you, Shrihan. Thank you, Naman. Received your answer. Anirudh, thank you. Shivani, thank you. People who are joining in right now, please do the questions on the screen. We are doing computation operation and I will not explain anything because there is nothing to explain. It's simple addition and subtraction. Yeah, but I'll check the answers though. Then we have answers coming from Mishika, Yash. Thank you. Yash, I think there's something wrong with the subtraction. Just one digit. Check the only one digit is wrong. Samriddhi, got it. Thank you.
Ma'am, which Samriddhi Srivastava one
Singh.
or
Singh. Srivastav has already answered both. Janvi, have you answered? Okay. Pat Sharma. Anvita, Manashri, Sanika, thank you. Arnav, thank you. Advika, I know you joined late, but this question is very simple. Please do it fast and send it. Shivani received both. Okay, Janvi, Part, thank you. Mishika, thank you. Nanika, same for you. Please do the addition and subtraction quickly. Hanifa received both. Thank you so much. All right, everyone, it's high time now. Let's get started. So I'll start doing the calculation in the most simplest way possible so that everyone can catch up. Sanya, thank you for your answer. I need the second one also. 9 plus 4 is 13. So there we go. 3, carry 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 1, 15. Carry 1. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 7 plus 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry 1. And this is 11. So your answer comes out as 1165253. Manvik, you're late. Very, very late. Then 8 plus 5, this is minus, okay? This is subtraction. So how would we do subtraction? 8 minus 7, 1. This is something which is smaller than 8. So I'll have to start borrowing. And I have to start borrowing right from here. So I'll make it 7. I'll make it 11 to 10. I'll make it 11 to 10. I'll make it 14 to 13. And then give it 16. So then I'll get a 8 at the bottom. 16 minus 8 is 8. 13 minus 9 is 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. And this is your final answer. Okay? Shania, I know you're late in the class. What happened? Say.
No, I was just saying if I missed anything.
Yeah, you did. This is the question which everyone answered, and I checked each one of the students' answer personally, which I generally don't do because of a huge audience. But this time I personally checked each one's answers. You missed that. This was a warm-up question, Shania. Next time, please be on time. Same for you, Riyansh. If you are not on time, it will be very difficult for the ma'am to go back and repeat the things which she did in the last 5-10 minutes. So please be on time. Don't worry, Shania. It's just the subtraction addition on the screen you see now. Yeah, Anirudh, Anvita, say. Anvita, you had a doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shouldn't you?
Without video, I'll not let you speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for that 6 minus 8 is there, na, ma'am, in the second question. Shouldn't we put, if it is less now, 6 is less than 8, so we shouldn't we put it the 16?
Then only I got 8. How did I get 8 otherwise?
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
16 minus 8 is 8, no?
Yes.
Okay, done. Now let's get started with some word problems. Okay, starting off with the first one on your screen, everyone. Please pay attention. This question is not just addition, subtraction. This question is the concept of expenditure, income, and savings. So the people who don't know what is expenditure, savings, and income, let me tell you that income is equals to expenditure plus savings. Now, what does that mean? Income means suppose the money you get in hand. For example, you get a pocket money of $100, out of which you liked few things in the market. So you went there and you purchased few things worth rupees $40. Okay. So the money which is left out in your pocket, which you have not spent yet, is called as the savings, which is the remaining $60. So income is always the sum total of the money you spend, that is expenditure, and the addition of savings, which is left out money with you. So with this concept, please do the question on your screen, which is a 6-digit sum and subtraction both. What happened, Advika?
Ma'am, so income is basically the total amount of money you're given.
Yes. Expenditure plus savings. Say, Sanya.
Ma'am, so income means the total pocket money we get, and then expedition means the money we spend, and then
Spend.
the last
Savings.
savings. Okay.
Correct, Sanya. Thank you. Say, Arnav.
Understand expenditure.
Expenditure means the money you spend. which you have already spent on various things. It's not left with you any longer. It's no longer with you, like that. Okay, thank you. Rianshi, you were asking something? Same?
Strictly
Raise the hand. Okay, okay. No problem. No problem. No problem. I've got some answers in the chat box. Thank you. Others, please try. And Bhumik, you are 8 minutes late to the class already. Okay. So whatever ma'am did, you will have to check from the recording now. Shivani, please. Rianshi. 4 people have answered. Do it properly. It's slightly long. Mishika, thank you. I'll not be able to take all the names, guys. I'm just taking the first few. We'll do it in 3 parts with 3 different people. Oh. Parth, Devashri. Say Mishika. Riansh, check your answer. Same for you, Rianshi. You also check your answer. Manvik, Tanisha, Manashvi. Good, good. Everyone else good? Other than the ones whom I asked you to check the answer. No, Riansh, it's still wrong. Stop guessing the answer. Start doing the work. Good, Sanya. Good, Rianshi. Okay, now I think we are ready to get started. So let's go to Aditi. Aditi, the first step is to find out the total money that I have spent. So I will go
Yes.
for the total expenditure, one on food and the other on transport, right? Okay. Then let's go to food plus transport. Let's add on 19,987 plus 24,570. What is the sum total which we get?
Ma'am, the answer is 44,557.
7, 15, carry 1, 5, 1, 10, 4, 14, carry 1, 4. This is the answer? No,
Yes, ma'am.
45,000 or 44,000.
44,000.
Okay. And the people who have joined right now, Vedant, Adya, Aradhya, 3 of you, you are 13 minutes late to the class and ma'am is not going to repeat what she did. Whatever is happening in the class, you have to catch up on your own because this much late is not accepted in the classroom. Next time, I will not admit you in, okay? Be punctual in the classroom. So next we will start with completing the expenditure. Now we will go on to finding out what was the total amount given to Jay. That is the income with Jay. So Jia, you help me in this one. The total income is 5,956,9,741. And I have to subtract or add.
Subtract, ma'am.
Very good. 44,005, and 7. Now tell me what's the final answer you get.
Ma'am, it's 1 minute. 100,000 and 5,25,184.
And the first thing to, okay, thank you so much, Jia. Sanika, can you tell me one quick shortcut here?
Ma'am,
Quick shortcut.
for which one?
This while subtracting. I don't want to subtract 6 digits. I want to only do 1 digit and figure out the answer. Which will be that 1 digit?
Ma'am, so if you subtract 11 minus it will be 4. So the only option which has 4 at the last is C.
Thank you, Sanika. I always keep telling you people this, repeating this again and again because this might not happen in all the options, but my students need to have that eye. Please look at the options first. If I don't remind you, probably you will never look at the options first and start doing the question. I have seen 90% of my students doing this, that they look at the numbers and they start solving it. But before that, please have an eye on the options also. This is the benefit of having options. I've always told you, make options as your friend. And since you're an Olympiad, no one will see how you exactly did it. They will be only concerned with your answer. So therefore, please make sure that you act smart and save some time. Thank you, Sanika. Thank you, Jia. And thank you, others, for giving me the right answer in the chat box. Now, anyone, any doubts in this? Except for the ones who came late. No doubts? Okay, good then. Say Jia.
I did it in another way, but I got the same answer.
You subtracted one after the other, like one by one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Vedant, you joined late. Tell me what's your doubt. I will not answer it.
The meaning of expenditure.
You'll have to see the recording. It's a one word thing, but I will not say just as a punishment of joining late. And this is not the first time you're joining late, Vedant. It's a repeated activity. Okay, let's go to the next question on your screen. This is the first trickiest question of the day. The person who gets the first right answer for this question is going to decide what game are we playing at the end of the class today. So this is very, very tricky. And this is one of my favorite questions. What do you mean, Manashvi? You have doubt in question number 3 and 16. Which chapter, which exercise? Manashvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Which exercise, which test is this? The
The
last
mock
test
test.
which you people did? Oh,
Yes.
we'll have to do it later, Manashvi. We'll finish this, then we'll do it either at the end or before going for the break. Okay? Because see, test doubts, I will do it this time, but next time we have a full day for test discussion. So please make sure you do it on time. But we'll do it this time. Oh my God, so many right answers in the chat box. What happened, Arnav? If you're raising hand for telling me the answer, I will not allow you to speak. Say.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
this is chapter 2 after number sense.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Say Manasvi. Oh, you're unmuted. Okay, everyone, Samriddhi, what happened?
No, I'm sorry.
Who was
I'm
the
almost
first
done.
one to answer?
Aradhya, you're speaking without raising your hand. You know you can get punished for it.
Sorry.
Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, who was the first one who completed
Don't
the
raise
sum?
your hand for asking this. Same for you, Aradhya. I will say this. Do you think I'll run away somewhere? No, right? I have asked it. I have told this. Of course, I'll say the answer. Unraise your hand, guys. Raise it only when you have a doubt. Don't raise it otherwise, because then we will lose 5 minutes because of this in the classroom. And I don't want this to happen. This is not important, right? Okay. So Samriddhi, Vedant, Devashri, all of you are wrong. I think I got the first right answer from let me check. From why don't you write options? Why am I writing numbers? All options are so close. Okay, first right answer is Mishika. Aradhya, wrong. Vivek, who is Vivek? Wrong. Who is Vivek? Vivek is a new student or someone's parent's name? Aditi, wrong. New student. Vivek. Hi,
Yes,
Vivek. Where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from Kerala.
Oh, hi. Have you seen the recordings of the old class?
Yes,
Previous classes?
Yes,
Perfect. Then you know the rules of the classroom. So perfect. If you have any doubts, raise your hand. Okay, Vivek? But this
Okay.
question is wrong. Try again. Everyone is giving the wrong answer except Mishika. Aditi wrong. Nanika wrong. Tanisha wrong. Okay. How do people think that the person who won the election got less marks than the opponent and still won? People who are sending the answer as A. Guys, wait, I have not taken your name. That means I have not reached down. I have 21 more messages to read. Tanisha wrong, Aditi wrong, Hanifa wrong, Shrihan wrong. Then Shivani has got the second right answer. Samriddhi Singh wrong, Jia wrong, Adya wrong, Anirudh wrong, Sanya wrong, Manashvi wrong, Riyansh wrong, Sanika wrong, Janvi wrong. Parth is the third one to get the right answer. Parth Sharma. Shanaya wrong, Naman wrong, Riyanshi wrong, Manvik wrong, Sanika wrong, Naman wrong, Manashwi wrong, Anvita wrong, Manvik. Manvik is the fourth one to get the right answer. Shrihan wrong, Yash wrong, Aradhya wrong, Aradhya, both the Aradhyas wrong, and Riyansh wrong. Devashri, opponent vote means the person who is standing against you. So now I'm going to give you a small example with a smaller number. So who wants to fight against me? Let's have Vivek. Vivek, there was this guy in my school, Alexa, stop. There was a guy in my school whose name was Vivek, and we used to fight a lot. So you
Ma'am,
and
I
I
got
will
the
fight
answer.
him.
I got the
What's
answer.
the answer?
Ma'am, B.
Yes, that's right, Vivek. So imagine this is Vivek and this is Priyasha. Okay. And just change this question from Avyansh to Vivek. That Vivek won an election by 2 votes. And his opponent, that is Priyasha ma'am, she got 10 votes. So if Priyasha ma'am got 10 votes and Vivek won by English language, so you people will say, ma'am, we are in a math class or in an English class. So the answer is both. So won by means you got 2 more votes than your opponent. Only then you can win, right? So if Vivek got or Vivek won the election by 2 votes, then it means that Vivek got 2 more votes than me. That means he got 12 votes. Now, that is also not the final answer of the question. The final answer of the question is the total number of votes. That means the votes which Priyasha got and the votes which Vivek got. 10 for Priyasha and 12 for Vivek. Total is 22. So now use the same logic with the old big numbers to find out how many votes were actually given. Avyansh plus the opponent. Phew. Now everyone change your answer quickly. No problem, Adya. I hope everyone understood those who gave the answer as option A. Is it clear, everyone? Yeah, Anvita, say.
Ma'am, if Vivek got 2 votes, how could it be 12?
Because I won by 2 votes. Winning by 2 runs. You watch cricket, Anvita?
No,
A
ma'am.
little football?
No.
Any games? No sports? Okay. So, do you read newspapers?
No, ma'am.
Nothing you do good other than studying. Watch other things also. It's important for your personality development. So, when you read newspapers, you would see that today India won by 2 runs. So, winning by 2 runs means that India scored 2 more runs than its opponent. So here also the same thing. If Avyansh won the election by 2 votes, that means he got 2 more votes than his opponent.
Okay, ma'am, I
That's
understand.
why 10 plus 2. Good. Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I also didn't understand now.
Now you understood.
No.
So Arnav, you got 10 votes. Okay. And your opponent won the election with 2 more votes. Won by 2 more votes. So 2 more votes than you. So 10 plus 2. He got 12 votes. And that's how the total becomes 10 plus 12, 22. So here in Avyansh's case, what we will do? You will add this number with this number. And that's how you got option A, right? But this option A was only opponent's score. Or rather, I should say, sorry, Avyansh's score, not the total score. The total score is Avyansh's score, this number 239660 plus the opponent's score. That is 214875. So when you add these two numbers, you get option B, 454535. Got it? Thank you. Jia?
Never mind, I understood right now.
Okay, thank you. All right. I think everyone else also understood. Vedant and others who were writing in the chat. How is it wrong, ma'am? Before reacting, think twice. And by the way, yeah, Mishika would be choosing the game, and the second right answer was from I was calling out names, no? Second right answer was from the person whom I called. You don't remember that you gave the second right answer? Okay, wait, I'll search. Mishika and then Shivani. Yes, Shivani was the second one. So, Shivani, that's a reward for you. I'll rename this. If her opponent, then find this. Okay, next time we'll have this question for the other batch. They will know who is Shivani. Okay, fine then. So the second question, I'll change this. Second question is this. Let's jump on to multiplication and division also. Let's have our hands on it. It will be fun. Have you all done a big multiplication like this before? Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. Then I'll wait for the answers. For division,
6 into 4.
you have not done, Atya?
No, ma'am, I have done in my school.
Okay, good then. Do it. And for division, we will do it by two methods. Okay, one is fraction method and another one is a normal long division method. So first, let's do multiplication, and then after doing this slide, we all will go for a break. Shrihan, doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Deansh, I can't see you.
Ma'am, my
Anvita.
camera is not working.
Okay. Parth Sharma, Radhya, Tanisha, camera. Bhumik, turn on the camera.
Ma'am, the light has gone.
It's okay. Wow, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. I'm getting the right answers in the chat. A little bit here and there for some of you. Mishika, type it properly. Your answer, Aditi, yours also. I feel something is wrong. Others are all right. Oh no, not all right. Arnav is not correct. Arnav, last few digits are wrong. Shivani, good. Ryanshi, good. Tanisha, good. Okay, there are more answers. Devashri, good. Manashri, good. Mishika, good. Samriddhi Srivastav, good. Sanika, good. Vivek, good. Very nice. Vivek, not good. One digit, one digit. Please check one digit is wrong. Manvik, we are doing multiplication.
Ma'am, I know my battery got low and
Yeah, I saw you rejoined. That's why I told you. Janvi, got your answer. Anvita, you need to check. The answer is not correct. Do it patiently, guys. Don't do it fast. Oh, Aditi, you divided also. Wow.
Ma'am, I can't find out which digit I made wrong.
So that means you have to redo it. I'm so sorry. This is just for your practice, not a torture. No, Devashri, that's not correct. The answer will be too huge. It will not be in hundreds, it will be in thousands. 10,000 actually. Okay, now 30 more seconds. I'll not wait more than that. 30 seconds. Aditi, one of the digits is wrong in your answer. Shivani has given the first right answer for division. Samriddhi, you have missed out one digit. Samriddhi Srivastav, one digit. Okay. Let's start with Nanika. Nanika, did you give the answer?
Started solving the question. I am almost on the answer, final answer.
What?
Ma'am, I'm just writing the answer. 1 minute.
Okay. No problem.
Ma'am, I'm still working the answer.
It's okay. No problem. Do it. Hanifa, 9 times 4?
Is my answer correct?
Ma'am, what did he
Hanifa.
ask? What did he ask?
Yeah. 9 times 4.
9 times 4 is 36.
6 here, 3 carry. Riyansh, what happened?
I have not given answer.
I can't wait. I waited for 1.5 minutes. You can do it. It's fine. I'm doing it slowly. And guys, be ready. It's going to be a rapid fire. I can suddenly ask you a question and I'll give you only 10 seconds to answer. So be ready with this calculation. Thank you, Anifa. You can mute yourself. Next is Manvik. Manvik, 6 times 4?
Ma'am, 6 times 4 is equal to 24.
24 plus 3?
27.
27. 7 here, 2 carry. Thank you. The next one is Riyanshi. Riyanshi, 8 times 4? Sorry, not 8 times 4. I'm so sorry. 4 times 4?
Ma'am, 16, ma'am.
16 plus 2?
18.
8 here, carry 1. Devashri, next. 4 times 1? What's that? You landed upon an easy one. 4 times 1? You're muted. 4 and 4 plus 1? 5.
Five.
No carry over. We'll move to Aditi. Aditi, 4 times 7.
Ma'am, 28.
8 here, 2 carry. Mishika, 9 times 4.
Ma'am, 36.
36 plus 2.
38.
Everyone till here, please nod your head. The first line is okay. First line is okay. Okay, I'll put a cross. Samriddhi Srivastav, 8 times 9.
72.
2 here, 7 here. Thank you. Sanika, next one. 8 times 6.
48.
48 plus 7.
55.
55. 5 here, 5 here. Thank you. Jia, 8 times 4.
32.
32 plus 5.
37.
37. 3 carry here. Next question for Shrihan. Shrihan, 8 times 1.
8.
8 plus 3.
11.
1 here, carry 1. Janvi, 8 times 7.
Ma'am, 8 times 7. 56.
56 plus 1.
57.
Thank you. Samriddhi Singh, the next one for you. 9 times 8.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, 9 times 8 is 72.
72 plus 5.
Ma'am, easy. 77.
Thank you. Now let's do addition quickly. We'll start with Arnav. Arnav, 6 plus 0.
6.
7 plus 2.
Me?
Yeah, you only.
9.
9. Then Naman, 8 plus 5.
Ma'am, 13.
13. Thank you. Carry 1. Yash, 5 plus 1 plus 7.
5 plus 1. 13.
13 again. Carry 1. Thank you. Manashvi, 8 plus 1 plus 1. Do it fast. 10 seconds. Otherwise, I'll go to the other person.
What's the question?
I can't repeat it, Manashvi. That means you are not paying attention. Advika, say what is the question?
Ma'am, even I was not paying attention.
Very good. Shanaya, what's the question?
Ma'am, the question was
Right now because
two-
I had gone to
mul-
the
2 plus
2 plus, so we carry over 1 right now, so 2 plus 8
8
plus
plus
7 plus 1.
8 plus 7?
If you
No.
What
Look at
question
the
did you
screen.
give? Ma'am, what question did you give? I had gone to the washroom, so I have no clue what did you said.
Manvik, please. Don't speak without raising hand, and I did not call you. So it's okay. We are still doing the multiplication question on the screen. Don't interrupt. Sanya, what happened?
Ma'am, may I tell the question?
No, 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 no. Don't raise your hand. Yeah, sorry. Where was I? Who was answering this question? Yash, Manasvi, no. Somebody, no, it was Shanaya. Shanaya, what is the question?
Ma'am, the question is 8 plus 1 plus 7.
No, that's not true. If you look at the screen only, you will get the answer. Vedant, what's the question? Do not raise your hand, guys. I request you, please. Please don't raise your hand.
I get it.
No speaking now. Once you got the chance, it's over. Now I'll come back to you for the second time. Vedant, what's the question? Look at the screen, guys. Use your brain.
Ma'am, 1 plus 5 plus 7.
1 plus 5 plus 7. Where is
No,
that
no,
even
no, no.
existing?
1 plus 8 plus 1. Silly me.
Yeah. What is the sum now?
1 plus 8, 9. 10. 1 carry
Yeah,
over.
thank
1 plus
you.
8, 9 plus 7, 6.
That's fine. Now don't answer
I'm
later.
going
So
to wash my
you're
hands.
supposed to see this over here, no? That ma'am is going towards the left side. Of course, the one which she has not written is the answer. Simple. Shivani, next one.
I'm at 16.
8 plus 1 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1. Thank you. Anirudh, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Next question.
1 plus 3 plus 7.
How much is that?
11.
11. Carry 1. Adya, we'll end it with you. 1 plus 7. Adya.
8.
Thank you. So the final answer is 81603396. Anyone whose answer did not match or they did not understand, now raise your hand and tell me. For the multiplication part. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, I did not match.
Did you understand where the mistake is? Check your answer and check my answer. I've written it in full detail.
Yeah.
So you would see one digit which you might not have counted correct. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Jia?
My answer did not match, but I understood.
Okay. Vedant?
Ma'am, I accidentally copied wrong the question. It was 971469 multiplied by 84, but I
Okay,
accidentally
okay,
did
okay, okay.
871469.
Okay. Fine. The division now we'll quickly do and then we'll go for the break. There are two ways of doing division. Say, Shanaya.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the division one.
Don't worry. We are yet to do this. I'm just starting it. So division method is to be done by two ways. The first one is the normal long division method. And by long division method, what do I mean? That I'll keep 16 as my divisor, this big number as my dividend, and I'll start using the table of 16. I'm not sure how many of you remember the table of 16, but if you do not, then there's no problem. You can actually do hit and trial. Samriddhi, you do remember?
Using a trick to do the 16 trick, that is divide 16 by half and divide the number which you need to find by half, find that number in that table and then and add
That's the
of the
second
numbers
method which I'm going to say, Manvik, which is called as fraction method. Dividing by half, dividing the top number by half, then again continuing it till you reach a number where you cannot divide it. Okay? And please don't forget to raise your hand and speak, Manvik. This is the second time I'm allowing you to do this. And I think out of all the 4 classes, more than 2-digit number of times. So next time you speak, even if you're speaking a good thing, you will be punished. And I will not be responsible for that. Advika say.
Ma'am, my mother taught me a trick that if you know the table of 15, so like 15 multiplied by 4, so 15 multiplied by 4 is 60, and you just add 16 multiplied by 4.
Hmm. Yeah, we can do that, Advika.
Yes.
That's fine. So the closest multiple of 16 is 16 times 5, 80. This gives me a 1. Now, if I bring down 1, understand this part. Many of you did a mistake here. If I bring down 1, 11 is still less than 16. So it's not sufficient. Now, do not do the mistake of not doing anything. Please write a 0 here and bring the 4 down as well. Okay. Now you will do the next number 16 times 7. 6 times 7, sorry, 42, 4, 11. 112 is closest. So 7 here, 112. 2 is the remainder. 8 comes down. 28. I'll take 1. I'll keep 16. I'll get a 12. I'll bring 8 down and 16 times 8 plus 16. Yes, it works. So 128. 8, 0. So this is the long division method. Please write it down in your copy if you have not written the long division method yet. This is the long division method which is done with the table of 16. Now, as Margaret and others were talking about the second method of division, ma'am will show you. This is called as the fraction method, where you need not remember the tables of any number. Keep the bigger number in the numerator. Keep the smaller number in the denominator. And look for common factors. This is the next chapter which you're going to learn after 2-3 classes. That is going to be factors and multiples. So what is the common factor of these two numbers? As I see that both of them are even numbers, their common factor will be 2. So I'll divide both of them by 2. I'll make them half. So 16's half is 8. Very easy. But this number is a big number. So how will I do it? You can do it by long division method. I'm just saving time by doing it straight. So 2 times 4, 0. 40 into 2, 80. The remainder 1. 1, 1 is 10, 11. So times 5, 10. 1, 4 is 7. Then this is a 4. This is a 4. 4057, 44. Can I again divide these two numbers by 2? Because these numbers are again even numbers. Yes, I can do that. I divide it by 4. I divide it again. I get 2, 0, 2, 1, 7. So 8, 16, 1, 4, 7 and 2. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I did not understand the
Which?
fraction method.
We are just slashing the numbers by 2. We are dividing all of them by 2, 2, 2 because 2 is a common number here, Vedant. And if you're thinking, how did this number come? So all you have to do is do long division method of 811488 and divide it by 2. So if you divide it by 2, you will get 405744. Okay? Say Shivani.
We can directly divide it by 8, right?
8 also, 4 also. It's fully divisible. So you can take any bigger factor also. If you people are comfortable with bigger factors, then you can directly take bigger factors also. Like if I want, I can directly slash it by 4. Let's see. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20. So 4 into 50. So that 4 into 50 into 4 is 200. 2 is the remainder. 2 and 8 makes 28. So I know the closest multiple here would be 7 times 4, 28. Then 4 times 1, that is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 32 is left out. So 32 is 8 times 4. So therefore the answer is 50718. The same which we got from here also. Say Sanya, then I'll go to Advika.
Can we do with 6?
Any method is okay. No, not 6. 6 is not a common number which divides 16. So therefore 6 is not working. Advika, then Vivek.
Ma'am, can't we just directly do it divided by 2 instead of 8, 4? And
Yeah. As much as you're comfortable. I am just taking 2 so that I'm assuming that you are doing it absolutely for the first time. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Vivek.
How do you know like when to stop dividing?
When you get a 1 in the denominator.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Jia,
I did not understand it.
which part?
The
You are,
fraction.
you are just dividing it with the common factors, Jia. Instead of directly dividing it by 16, I know that 811,488 is an even number and 16 is also an even number. That means both of them are divisible by 2. Therefore, I divided it by 2 first. Then I again got an even number, so I again divided it with a 2. So it's like that. You have to continue till you get the denominator as 1.
So, ma'am, you can like after 4 also you can keep 2, right?
Yes, correct. But we jumped the 4th step because of, I think I was showing it to Advika that we can directly jump. Okay, thank you. Aradhya, then back to Vivek. Aradhya Manoharan. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we divide in the fraction method? Can we do it by 7?
No, 16 is not divisible by 7, so not at all. Neither is the number at the top. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Vivek,
ma'am.
thank you.
Mom, but 4 is not like 4 divided by 2 is 2, right?
Yeah.
Not-
So if you slash it by 2, then you have to again slash the 202872 by 2, not 4. So it will ultimately come down to the same answer, Vivek. Okay, thank you. Aradhya, only.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
if there was the big number in odd, then how would we do it?
Then we'll have to see. So this is a chapter which you people will be learning called as divisibility rule. So there's a chapter which you people will be learning called as divisibility rule, where you will learn whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, 5 or not, 7 or not. There are some rules to follow, Aradhya. So we'll do that in the future classes, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Say Aditi.
Ma'am, can we also divide it by 8?
Yes, you can directly divide it by 8. 8 is also a common factor for both the numbers. It depends on the numbers, Aditi. So every time you get it in the exam, you have to see it, divide and check it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Okay, then, since you guys did all of the methods, we'll now go for a break and I will keep a break time question on the screen as well. This is one of my other favorite questions, not as favorite as the last one, but yeah, definitely go Shanaya. We will definitely have a game today. Okay, so we will finish these chocolate questions and then have a game today. Okay, so see you after 5 minutes, everyone. Right now it's 8:48 p.m. in India. You guys please come back in 5 minutes. Okay, see ya. Welcome back. The first right answer came from Ibrahim. Ibrahim, are you
even
back
I
from the
sent.
break?
Ma'am, even I sent.
Vivek, you don't have to tell me by unmuting. I can read it in the chat. Say, Tanisha.
Ma'am, can I leave? I'm having a headache.
Oh, yeah, take care, take care. Bye bye. Okay. So, others. Ibrahim, you're there? Can you unmute? Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Ibrahim will tell us what is the mistake which people might have done who are answering option A as the answer. What is the mistake, Ibrahim? Those who are saying option A is right?
And they will not have read returns back home. They will not have multiplied 4 by 2.
Exactly. Thank you, Ibrahim. So that is the interesting part of the question, everyone. We need to figure out that this girl is going to her maternal uncle and also returning back. The distance between her and her uncle's house is 2540. So if she travels 4 times, so she also returns back 4 times. Correct? So therefore, the answer to this correct, the answer to the question would be 20,320. Option B. Why is Janvi raising hand?
Ma'am, I came to ask that I got the same answer by just instead of writing 4, I did 8 so that I could cover both.
Yeah, that's what I heard him saying 4, but it's okay. He meant double. Okay, thank you, Janvi. Riyanshi?
Ma'am, I just wanted to answer. That's why I raised my hand.
Don't worry, you got a chance already once. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I know I gave the correct answer, but which one was I? Was I the second one or something?
No. Okay, fine. The next question, before I move to the next question, any doubts here? No?
Ma'am,
Okay,
which
then.
one was I, ma'am? Second, third, fourth.
I will not say the ranking, Vedant. Focus on the question.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Question number 4. This is very easy division, guys. Very, very simple. Samriddhi Srivastava has the first right answer. Reyanshi second. I'll only take 10 names. Anirudh third. Divide. Jia wrong. Shriyan wrong. Vivek fourth. Arnav fifth. Shanaya wrong. Riyansh, what happened? Don't say the answer.
Ma'am, I am right or wrong?
You answered?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I did not receive it. Type a hi again, Riyansh. Samriddhi wrong. Ibrahim correct. So
Ma'am, I
I
have answered.
6th, Ibrahim. Devashri 6th, Ibrahim 7th, Manashri 8th, Manvik 9th, Riyansh 10th. I received your answer now. You forgot to hit the enter button, maybe. Parth Sharma correct, Jia correct, Shivani correct. Okay, we'll start with Shanaya. Shanaya, did you do this question? 9th, Manvik. Riyansh, where are you going?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my battery is down.
Okay. Go. Say Shanaya. How did you divide it?
Ma'am, me?
Yeah.
Oh, my connection is not unstable. Ma'am, I got the wrong answer, but
Let's do it with common factors with Manvik. No problem, Shanaya. You can take your time to correct it. Manvik, say fast.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yeah.
Ma'am, my answer of the question is 60 because 125 5s are 625, and when 0 is left, you just take 0 to the quotient, so answer will become 50.
What was the number at the top you said, Manvik?
Ma'am, 5. Ma'am, you
No.
had, ma'am, I
One.
said 50.
15.
Ma'am.
I can't hear you. It's okay, Manvik. Aditi, can you tell me what do we get when we divide 6250 by 5?
Ma'am, I think 1250.
1250. Okay, thank you. And then when we do it, we get 50. Yeah, Arnab, what happened?
Ma'am, I had to say one method.
Say fast. You have
Ma'am,
10 seconds.
1250. After that, there will be number, but it will not reach 650. 6250. After that, one more number, but 6250 will not. So after
Will
one
not be
more
there.
number, the 625 will reach because 1 to 5, 25 and 625 is equal. That's why.
Correct. Thank you. Okay, everyone. So we have a qualifying question for everyone. Okay. This is one chocolate question we will do right now. And if you people get the right answer, we will start the math quiz right now. So please don't miss out on this. Take your time, but do it correct. I want all 32 right answers in the chat box. And you have 2 minutes to do it. Alexa, set a timer of 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Starting now.
2 minutes to do this. This concept is actually whatever you learned in the last class. So a quick revision of that. Manashvi, you were talking about 2 doubts, right? So Manashvi, did you check the recording and did you found out that I did those 2 questions in the class also?
No, I didn't check that.
Can you do me a favor? Can you check it once? And if you still didn't understand, we can do it in the next class also. Okay. Works. Thank you so much. Okay, I've got a lot of answers. Very good. And this time I'm not giving you ranks. I'm just counting. Most of you are right. Good, good. Good. I'm just setting up a quick blue kit for you people. We will have a simple blue kit because it's the first class. So I'll not be spending a lot of time explaining you. So we will have fishing frenzy today. Let's see how lucky you people are. And we will do it on Roman numerals, okay? Yes, Mishika. Oh, you were supposed to decide. Oh my God, yeah, I forgot. Okay, say Mishika, what we should do.
I'm in the game which contains 3 boxes with I want to play that game.
You want to do which one?
Ma'am, which contains 3 quests and we have to choose one. It will show like minus 10 points.
Okay, okay, gold quest, gold quest. You mean that, right? Okay, fine. We can do that. Okay, so I have got all the answers in the chat box, but some are right, some are wrong. Alexa, stop. 2 minutes are up. Yeah, someone else was saying something. Adya, you have to watch the recordings then. Say. Aradhya, say.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Can I rejoin?
Yes, yes, please. Say, Shanaya.
Mom, I didn't do the question because I couldn't see the screen.
Oh, now can you see it?
No, should I try rejoining?
No, no, wait, I will try resharing. Try this. Can you see it now?
No, Mom.
This question you can't see? Okay, try rejoining, Shanaya. Okay. Others, you all have to join with, first I'll do the question. Then you guys will check your answers and then I will send you the link to join the game. Okay. So first thing first, Roman numerals. Firstly, we will convert this. Okay. So the highest value is M. So once I check on the left hand side of M, I see 100 before it. That means I have to subtract 100 from 1000. CM becomes 1000 minus 100, which is equals to 900. So CM is 900. Then coming to L, the next big letter. But again, the same issue, 10 lies before L. So that makes it XL, 40. 900 plus 40. The next big number is 5 and the next numbers are 111. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So therefore, we add it up to 948. Now they are asking us to add the place value and the face value of 4 in 948. So the face value remains the same and the place value is 40. So 40 plus 4 is 44. Some of you wrote 404 for some reason. I think now it's clear to all of you, right? 44 is the right answer. No doubt. Okay, now listen to me very, very carefully. I'm sending you people a link. Please join this link with your real name. Only real names are allowed. Okay? Yeah, enough. Say.
Ma'am, but in question they are say predecessor of CMXL VII triple I.
Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry. But it's still going to give you the same answer. Predecessor of this number will be 947. But the place value of the 4 will not change, Arnav. So it's still the same answer. Okay? Vedant, say.
Ma'am, some people are not qualified, right?
No, no, it's fine. It's the first class, so it's okay.
So everybody could play even though it is.
Everybody will play. Yeah. Aradhya, say.
Ma'am, should we join now?
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
Please join with your name. Yeah, full name. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, nickname means our surname, right?
Yeah. Arnav, say
Ma'am, in nickname we have to write.
full name of yours. In nickname, please write your full name and select your favorite Luke. Say
Luke.
Shania. Okay, you joined right now.
joined. I don't have the link to the.
Yes. But did you understand the question on the screen?
Yes,
Shania
ma'am.
be like,
54.
okay, this is also a task. Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
good. All right, then I'm sharing my screen. I need 32 participants here. 20 have joined only. Others join. You guys are able to join, right? Or 20 is the maximum limit here? No, no. No maximum limit in Blue Kit. Good. Do not leave. Don't leave. Just wait for me to start. I'm just waiting for everyone to join so that we can start together. Let's do it quickly. Say Devashri.
I cannot enter my full name. I can only enter my half surname.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I should recognize you. That's all. That's why I said. Say Shania, then I'll go to Aradhya.
Ma'am, how to join?
The link is given in the chat box, Manashri. I'm sending that again.
I have
I'm
written my
sending.
name and
That's all. That's all. We have not started. I will click on start, then you will see the match. Say Shania.
No, I don't.
Okay, okay. I'll lower your hand. 27 of you have joined. Some of you have not
Ma'am.
joined. Yeah, Radhya.
Ma'am, it's asking for game ID.
Game ID is on your screen. 6745687. 28. Okay, guys, I'll just count till 10. The ones who have joined, it's okay. If the ones who haven't joined, they can join late also. The instructions will be on my screen, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No worries, you all can see the instruction on the screen and join. All the best. Easy Roman numeral questions, okay? So answer and then click. Let's see who is more lucky here. Wow, Atika and Mishika and Vivek have already started.
What we have.
You have to answer the questions, Manashvi, and after you answer the questions, you will be given 3 options to choose. So
Where
you
is
can
the,
get
where
some
are the
gold.
questions?
You have, did you join the link, Manashvi? Yeah, so the questions will be on your screen. Go back to your screen. I can stop my screen share. I'll share it at the end to show you the leaderboard so that you don't get confused. Go back to your screen. Oh my God, so many of you have not started. Answer correctly and select one of the boxes. Wow, Janvi and Nanika have started swapping gold also. So when you get the swap gold option, please swap it with the one who has the maximum gold. Common sense, okay? You can also take some gold from others. So while taking, also take it from the people who have more gold so that it gives you more gold. Okay, now only 2 people are at 0. Gia, what happened? You're not able to do it? Manashri, are you able to
I'm
do it?
doing it, but the problem is it's like I didn't get it's saying nothing sometimes 40 gold and
Oh, okay. So that is lucky. So you know how to play. That's fine. You can continue. You will get something. What about you, Manasvi? Okay. If you're not able to do it, Manasvi, you can tell me. I can help you. You're able to do it. Okay, fine. Good job. Keep it up. Currently, the leaderboard says that we have Samriddhi Srivastava at the top. Not really, Devashri. This is gonna change very soon. Okay, 3 minutes are there. Table's gonna turn. Hanifa is at the top with a very mind. Oh no, not really. Mishika swapped gold with Hanifa. Janvi is at the top with 92.8k. No longer. Sanika has swapped gold with her. Good going. Only 2 minutes left. Speed up. Oh my God. Aditi, what happened from 92k to 0? Jump back. Who is Kuchi? Guys, I told you don't go by the nickname. They are asking your nickname. That means you have to put in your name. Yes, you swapped gold. Oh. Well done. Well done. Five million. Seriously. You guys have reached to this level. Ooh. Last 1 minute, everyone. Now everyone has learned this. Now people are using it to the fullest. But who someone called Kuchi is at 452 only. Mr. or Miss Kuchi, please speed up. Last
Ma'am,
50
I don't
seconds.
know how to snatch gold from others.
There is no knowing here. This is all luck. You just answer questions quickly so that you have more options to choose. Okay. So keep answering the questions quickly. Don't wait for the screen to end. You click on it and then click again. Congratulations. We have the final scores on the screen. Samriddhi first, Naman second, Sanya third. But this is not the final score. I'm going to see the final report who got the highest accuracy and the most number of questions. So, Dianshi, you left. Don't leave quickly before ma'am says. Otherwise, it comes like this. Same for Ibrahim. So, I see the maximum.
should I play again?
No,
Should I
Manashri. No,
play again?
Manashri. We cannot do that again, but no problem. You went through the questions, right? You were able to see the questions?
I have done. So it is asking, I have already done. So it is asking that play again. So
No,
should
no,
I-
no, no. No need, no need. No, you would not be able to do that. So since it's already over, so you cannot do it. But no problem. Say enough.
Ma'am, can we play this on Google?
No. This you will only do it with ma'am, not the other times. But you can do it on your own. Say Vivek.
Mom, I was
Ma'am,
first.
where am
Everyone
I?
was stealing my gold and
Ma'am,
swapping
where
with
am I
me,
in
ma'am.
this leaderboard?
This is the common complaint of everyone. The leaderboard was just switching up and down, up and down. Okay, guys. We are already over time, so we will not take this. I'll just take three people's name. The number one who has got the maximum number of right answers. Number two who has answered the maximum number of answers, and number three the people who have got 100% accuracy. So first, those who have got the maximum right answers, 67 from Advika. Anyone more than 67? No. So most of the right answers came from Advika. So Advika, congratulations. Claps for you. Second thing is the maximum total right answers. So I think I should go with 54 plus 3. No, 67 plus 2, 69. Then 63 plus 1, 64. So yes, in that case, again, double thumbs up. Good job, Advika. Now 100% accuracy, people. 100% accuracy. All right answers. Vivek, very
Ma'am, I
good.
have got
Aditi.
97%. Ma'am, I have got
Aditi.
97%. Yay! Excuse me, ma'am.
Someone is talking without raising hand. You will know. I am deaf. Aditi, very good. 100%. Bakshi is, I think, Shanaya, so 100%. Manashri, 100%. Very good, Manashri. Jia, 100%. Sanika, 100%. Arnav, 100%. Yash, 100%. Shivani, 100%. Anvita, 100%. Okay, fine. So
I
who
need
else
more
was?
97%, but you didn't put me in the second place.
I'm not taking the people's name who are 97%. I took the name of the number one who gave the maximum right answers, number two who gave the maximum number of questions, and the third one is the 100% ones. Okay, fine, guys. We are not talking. If you have a doubt, tell me. We are not talking about the game. We are already late. Your homework is computation operation set 1. Please write it down. Manashri,
Ma'am?
27 right answers were your score. Yeah, Jia.
Ma'am, but I got all the correct. So how am
So
I not?
that's you got all the corrects, but not the maximum number of right answers. You got 27 right answers. Advika got 67 right answers. 67, 27. There's a lot
Oh,
of difference.
okay.
Okay. Computation operation set 1 is your homework, everyone. Please remember, do it and come on Monday, okay? Without fail. Okay, quick. Devashri, you want to leave, I think. Probably that's what you want to say. Yeah. Bye. We all will leave now. Bye. Manvik, say.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Hope you all enjoyed the game.
Bye.
Say, Advika.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Advika.
ma'am, my brother over here, his name is Abhiraj. He helped me. He didn't help me. He was just sitting by me and telling who is.
So you guys are 3 siblings.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, then the next number is this guy. Okay, bye. Take
Our
care. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
I start teaching
Bye,
from
ma'am.
grade
Thank
3 only.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Good night, guys. Bye.